But we got two of them things.
What the other one? What the other? Ay, ay, ay.
Your sister.
Your pillow when you need rest, because you know I got two big ones.
I'm done with you. I'm done.
Your voice when no one can hear you, because you know I like to talk a lot. Your answer when question arises, because I think I'm always right. Your inspiration to overcome obstacles, but beware, we either sink or swim together. Your kiss that wakes you up every morning, even with bad breath. Forever true, I'm sure it's you. I love you.
Yeah.
That's cute. All right.
Grace and Zion are now going to exchange rings. Rings are derived from humble beginnings of imperfect metal to create something striking where there is nothing at all. It is customarily worn on the ring finger. It is the only finger with the vein running directly to the heart. The wearing of the rings is a visible outward sign that they have committed themselves to one another. Grayson, please take the bride's hand, John, and repeat these words. I give you this ring as a symbol of our love. For today and tomorrow and for all the days to come. Wear it as a sign of what we have promised on this day. And know that my love is present even when I am not. John, repeat after me. I give you this ring as a symbol of our love.
I give you this ring as a symbol of our love.
Everybody good?
All the days to for today, tomorrow, and all the days to come.
Wear it as a sign of what we have promised on this day.
Wear it as a sign, as a promise of today. And know that my love is present, even when I am not of.
So, we've done a lot of different Unity things. This will be a new one for me because Gian has watched way too many Korean movies. So even though nobody here is Korean, we are going to have a Korean Unity.
Yeah.
Right. Right. No, that's right. No, yeah.
So in the Korean marriage, as the couple begins their journey together, they light a lantern that is released. With the releasing of the lantern, it signifies their unity.
It's okay. They're yearning.
It signifies their unity, their hopefully wealth in their marriage, and argument-free. I I've never seen a mirror, which is an argument for me. But hey, if it works, everybody go light a lantern.
Yo, tell me that finna fly in the sky though.
It does.
For real?
Yeah, I got him 2 of them.
Hard now.
I want to know where else it would go, baby. Is it going to sit on the floor?
Shit. I want to see it. Oh, hold on. I got to light it. Hold on. Wait. Time out. I got one in my pocket. Oh, wait. I'm ready.
Okay, hold on. Don't light the paper.
I'll light it on fire. Do I have 2 lighters? Do we have 2 lighters? Do we have? I have a second. I'm nice. I'm nice. I'm nice.
Yep. Oh, they got one.
They have 2. They have 2.
We got 2. We got 2, bro.
Don't light the string.
Seems a little risky, but that's okay. I'm with it.
It's biodegradable. Baby, only my side light.
I bet you ain't finna touch me. Y'all do this thing, man.
There you go.
There it is. Yeah, wait. Give me my lighter back. Hey, partner. I get it back. I know that, right? I want to see this. I want to see it go up in the sky. I want to see it go up in the sky. It's have a hole?
But we got 2 of them things.
Where the other one? Where the other? Hey, where the other one? Where the other one? Where the other one? Where's it? Where's it? Hey, hold it.
Run, this
I'll do that. Ooh.
Sprint.
Is it going?
Nope. He coming. Gracie, look up at me.
Right there.
Right there. Only baby.
Time in, boy. Time. Hold on, someone put piss on a package. Yeah.
Yep.
Just in case.
Oh. Yeah, he said.
Wait a minute. It might go. It might go. Yeah. No, friend.
It's gonna come back this way. It's gonna come back this way.
Hey, but the effort was there. I appreciate you, brother.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Come on, man. Sit down.
Your sisters, sit down.
You forget we had somebody with it.
Sisters, like no.
Come on.
I forget.
You professed your love by exchanging your vows. You symbolized your commitment by exchanging rings.
What if that shit come down and burn everything back there?
Don't jinx us.
The lantern, setting it free. With all this, there's just one more question I need to ask each of you. Do you,
I am hot.
Jan, David, take Grayson, Scott, West? Sorry. Well, whatever.
Mr. Scott is in the building? That's Mr. West.
To be your lawfully wedded husband.
Looking in the wrong direction now. Y'all worried about catching on fire.
No matter what, even if he falls down the stairs and breaks both legs.
Staying on the stairs.
For show.
For sure.
And do you, Grayson West, takes young David to be your lovely wedded wife through sickness and through health, no matter what you accomplish, even if your ears fall off when we're talking.
She cool.
I now pronounce you man and wife.
That's right. Oh, look at y'all, man. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Our life,
Oh, love.
our story.